Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year guys! The year has been officially started and today is 2023, so I do apologize for not making more videos for this channel because 1, I was working on my song, 2, I was spending more time with my family and my friends, and 3, not really sure what kind of makeup looks I want to recreate for my next video, so I hope you guys understand about that. And I'll try my best to make more videos to get more subscribers and get more views. That's all. Anyways, speaking of which, today we are gonna do like a classic winter makeup look that I have never done that before. Even though winter is my least favorite season, but a little bit. Well, everyone hates winter, but it's okay. But speaking of which, I think I want to recreate this look from this palette. This is called Maverick Revlon Color Stay. This is an eyeshadow palette that comes with 8 different eyeshadow colors. They look brand new. I ordered it online on Amazon. And I hope to recreate this look using this palette. Alright, so before we start that, I got new brushes today. One, it's from Wet n Wild. This is the crease brush. And the other one, it's just a large eyeshadow brush. This is a large eyeshadow brush. This is also from Wet n Wild, which I do like these brushes. Some of my old brushes are overused and I want to like buy new ones. Since because it's a new year, I want to like buy new brushes and get rid of like old ones. So I hope you guys understand. I'll try my best to go online or buy in store for more makeup brushes so I'm not overusing them, and because it's overused in every of my videos. So yeah, and because it's a new year and starting this year, and that's going forward, we're going to be using these brushes if we're going to apply any eyeshadow colors using these brushes. Alright, let me know in the comments if you want me to use these brushes in the future when I make more videos of these, or tell me in the comments if you don't want me to overuse the same brushes as I had in every of my videos. If you don't want me to, I can handle your thoughts on that. Alright? Just letting you guys know because that's these brushes I want to use, okay? Alright, speaking of which, let's get started. Alright, for this look, I'm going to be using this nice white color that represents the snow right here. And the brush I'm going to be using is this brush, large eyeshadow brush. Alright, got that out. So we're going to grab this color right here. And I'm going to put it right here on the lid. I'm just going to blend it here. Right here. Do the same thing on the other lid. Now I'm gonna go with this rose bronze color. That'll almost look like rose gold, but it's like rose copper bronze color. Go with that, just take a little bit. This is a metallic. But doesn't seem like mahogany though, but it's okay. Just press it right here. Slowly. Like that. Now blend it right here. There you go. do the same thing to the other lid. I haven't done these videos like that for a long time now because I was spending more time with my family. I don't know what looks I want to recreate for my next videos. Plus, I was working on my music. I do have a music channel, by the way, so go subscribe to my music channel if you are interested in listening to my songs. By the way, I post my music and I post my vlog videos. The link will be in the description, so go subscribe for more music content and more vlogging videos. I might want to do like one more color, so we're going to go with the Swiss chocolate color, the brown one. Right here. Just mix it right here. But just be careful, we don't want the colors to blend or get mixed together. Okay, this seems like for the lower lash line, I did this wrong. I was supposed to do the eyeshadow up to here, but I just ended up putting it down here. So let me fix this and I'll be right back. Okay, now I just cleaned that up. Now it looks very better. But it doesn't seem like a classic to me because of the beige color and the brown, but it's okay. Anyways, I'm going to use this CoverGirl Brown Liquid Eyeliner. Should get some heads up. Now we're going to do the eyeliner on the waterline. Now I'm going to go with this LA Colors Boomtastic Volumizing Mascara, which I'm overusing it in videos. I'm going to have to get a new mascara if I want, but I'll try my best to get a new mascara because this mascara, it's now overused in my videos of last year since I bought it. Alright guys, so this is a new pack of the lashes I got. The old ones I always like. I don't know where it's at. I completely lost it, so I bought a new one at Primark, which I'll link it down below. And to finish off, we're going to use the Volcanic lipstick, the orange lipstick, 410 from L'Oreal. I'm going to put a bottom part just now. And we'll do one more. The new Lust lipstick from Maybelline, 920. And then we'll mix the colors together. And here you go. That's the end of this result. This is our final result. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. This will be helpful for my next videos. And let me know in the comments below for any more winter makeup looks you want me to recreate for my next video. If you don't, it's okay. But if you do have questions or concerns, you can leave them down below in the comments. As always, and I'll get back to you within 24/7. Alright, so thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in my next video.